Using Sleeper's chat and poll features for league communication, enhancing interaction with league members through in-app tools on Sleeper. Now, Sleeper's chat and poll features are great tools for enhancing communication and engagement within your league. And here's how to use them effectively. The first step is to access the chat. You can find the chat feature in the main menu of the Sleeper app or website. So when you go to sleeper.com, on the left-hand side, you can go to direct messages where you can have your group chats and your friends. You can add the friends, or you can also go to your inbox where you can mention, view your topics and your comments. The second is the league-wide chat. So this is the main chat room for a certain league where all the members can participate, and on the right hand side you can see league chat. Over here it's perfect for general discussions, trade talk and friendly banter. There's also direct messages, so you can also send direct messages to individual league members for private conversation. And these are the ways on how you can go ahead and then message, and also you can create a poll. So you can hit the plus icon to the league chat and then tap the plus button, and then you can also create a poll if you want to. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.